Okay. Here again, we are with you. In this video, I am going to explain how to insert smart art and charts on your slide. To insert, the first we'll see how you can insert a smart art. To do that, I am inserting a new slide. Go to home and get it blank slide here. That first we'll see how can insert a smart art. Click on the insert tab. If you are in a different tab, then please click on the insert. Then go to the illustration. In the illustration group, in the right corner, having these two options, smart and art and chart. The first, click on the smart art. Click on the smart art here. Now you can see the smart art box, so smart art gallery. Right? The smart art gallery having some categories. All of these smart art available under all category, but this is categorized according to their usage, the list, process, cycle, like that. For example, suppose you want to get it into the cycles, and this is a very important if you want to present some form of cycles, right? That means some cycle survey, that rain cycles there, right? If you want to present about the how happening the rain is happening in the form of cycle, right? There are steps happening again and again. Then you can use these cycles, or you can use hierarchies, right? Sometimes some things you want to display as a hierarchy at the top, then second level, then third level, like that. Then you can use hierarchies, right? As an example, suppose you are going to insert a cycle, smart art in a cycle. Therefore, click on the cycle category. Then select the particular style which you want to use. Right. Here I am using the second one, this one. Therefore, click on the second one and click OK button. Right. Now you can see the cycle here. Right. Here now you can do some adjustment. You can change the colors, then style, and text type, right? All of the formattings you can do it, right? Then in the cycle, the first step, you can, I'm only giving the number, like that I can type it. Then second step, 2, then 3, 4, 5, like that you can type the number, then again 1. Right? That's another type of the kind of cycle there. Right. Then if you want to change the color, then you can change it like that. Right? By selecting the change color, you can change the color. Right. Also, smart art styles here. Look at the group here, smart art styles. By clicking the small arrow here, you can see more styles. By selecting one of the style here, that's the 3D type. You can change the style. It is more attractive. Okay, then if you want to add more steps for this cycle, then you can add more steps by right clicking. Also you can add, or just you can use the under create graphic, the group, there is a call add shapes. Add shape. By clicking the small arrow here, then they are asking add shape after or before. Suppose after, then click add shape after. Then at last we see 5. After that, then again there is a option. Then if you want, you can apply 6 here. And in that way, you can add more, or you can remove unnecessary things. Layouts also available. Look at the layout gallery. Click on the more button, then more layouts here. Right? By changing the layout, then look at the SmartArt how changing according to the layout. Right? It show how changing according to the layout. Right. That's the way how you can insert SmartArt on your slide. Now we'll see how can insert a chart. Right? To insert a chart, again I am adding a blank slide. This slide I am using to add chart. Follow the step here. First select insert, then go to chart. Under illustration, select the option chart. Right. Then they are giving some chart styles, line, pie chart, bar chart, like that. You can select the required chart type. Suppose bar chart. Right. Then click OK button. Once you click OK button, then you will appear a separate sheet, data entering sheet, that's like Excel sheet. Then you can insert the data. Right? That I am going to insert some kind of data here. Suppose the series A, this series B, and the third series C, A, B, C. Right. Then category here, category 1, suppose I'm going to add some countries, Sri Lanka. Then category 2, India, and category 4, Pakistan, and category 3, Pakistan. Category 4, suppose USA. Right. Then look at what happening when I change in the category. In the bar chart under category, here Sri Lanka, India, Pakistan, like that. When I give in the USA for the 4th category, then it will change. Category 4 will change into the USA. In that way, you can change the category also ABC. Also, you can, this is the default value. You can change these values, right? Instead of 4.3, you can give 10. Then what happens if you are giving 10? The chart is the Sri Lanka A category is 10. Right? Actually, this is the way how can insert the charts. Right? Both chart and the data sheet available. Then you want to change the data sheet, then automatically change the chart. According to your data, it will automatically change. Right, that's the way how you can insert the chart through the PowerPoint.